Hello. Today I am on slideshare.net and I found this PowerPoint by the user Big Fish Productions, and I'm going to present it. I wasn't able to download because you need to sign up for a free trial with your credit card, and I think that's a new development or something. I'll be doing it from the website. So I'm just going to do a few slides of this, but five leadership lessons from Nelson Mandela. Number 1 is a good leader can engage in a debate frankly and thoroughly, knowing that the end he and the other side must be closer, and thus emerge stronger. You don't have that idea when you are arrogant, superficial, and uninformed. Oops. Okay. There's ads. It is better to lead from behind and to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory when nice things occur. You take the front line when there is danger, then people will appreciate your leadership. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies.
You should switch to 1-800-CONTACTS because
it's super easy.
Okay. Number 3, long speeches, the shaking of fists and banging of tables are strongly worded resolutions out of touch with objective conditions, do not bring about mass action, and can do a great deal of harm to the organization and the struggle we serve. Do not judge by my successes, judge by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Real leaders must be ready to sacrifice all for the freedom of their people. And action without vision is only passing time. Vision without action is merely daydreaming, but vision with action can change the world. Number 5, what counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we can make to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead. And that is the slideshow. Thank you for watching.